Now, there is a quantum weirdness in that when you measure the direction of the spin of a particle, you first have to pick a direction, and then the outcome will always be either in the direction you picked or exactly opposite. It can't be anywhere in between. So, if you picked a measurement direction to be horizontal, the measurement of the spin direction could be left or right. It couldn't be up or down, forward or back, or any direction except for right or left. On the other hand, if you decided to measure in the vertical direction, the only outcomes of your measurement would be up and down. Left and right would be forbidden. It's certainly counterintuitive, but it's just a weird fact of life in the quantum world. Now, what would happen if you had two subatomic particles? Suppose that you had a red and a blue ball, but you couldn't look at them. You grab both of them and put them in boxes and separate the boxes. Later, you look in one of the boxes and see that it contains a blue ball. It will surprise nobody that the other ball is red. The answer was determined at the moment the balls were put in the boxes, not when the first ball was observed. And I admit, when I first heard about this, that was pretty much my reaction. The technical name for this more ordinary connection is called hidden variables. Now, I'm going to simplify the discussion by only talking about the situation when the spin direction measured for the first particle is just up. The first measurement is in the vertical direction, and it finds the particle has spin up. When you measure the spin of the second, you measure it in the horizontal direction, and you get right and left with equal probability. The first measurement gives you zero predictive information about the second measurement. It turns out that both quantum mechanics and hidden variables make the same prediction for this scenario. This is very different from if you made the second measurement in the vertical direction, because if you did, you'd get a second measurement in the downward direction 100% of the time. Again, this is the same for both quantum mechanics and hidden variables.